That's my Tesla as being displayed inside my phone app, and I got a problem. I know Tesla is good for no oil changes, no radiator flush. You don't have to worry about a transmission going out. You don't have to buy brake pads as you have regenerative braking and you're only using your brakes 10% of the time to stop. And up to this point, the only Tesla issue I've had was a normal issue. Cabin filter had to be changed, and that was well under $50. Now I got a real Tesla problem. So this is the culprit here. For the life of me, I cannot get this trunk to come open. Even when I do it electronically from inside the car, it won't come open. And here's the kicker. That is going to cost $200 to fix because it has two latches. It has the main latch, which is what was working for this to get up, but there's the secondary latch, which is the safety to keep it from going up and breaking my windshield. That's the one that's malfunctioning. And to fix that safety, since this is already up, it's only going to cost $200. If I shut this down and they can't get to this latch from here, they have to take this bumper off to go under here to get it fixed. That's more than double. I've seen estimates as far as $500, and I read or saw on YouTube an estimate at $700. Yep, so you get one of these things, just know what you're getting into. I'm going to keep mine, and here's the reason why. Charging back there is the reason this is perfect for rideshare, because I'm charging at 2.2 cents a kilowatt hour, which at 40 miles to the gallon, that makes it equivalent to buying gas at 22 cents a gallon. But that's me charging at home after midnight. However, all of my personal belongings, you can't see, yeah, you can see just a little bit. All of my personal belongings are in there. My windshield washer fluid, my fixer flat, my tire inflator, a little case for snacks, because that leaves the trunk. See, this is the front trunk called Frunk. And back here, there's nothing here. There's a towel. But other than that towel, let's turn some light on. Hold tight. Okay. Now, can we see better? So, this is my back trunk. And that's not at sand or nothing. That's soil from all the different luggage I was putting in from the airport during our last snowstorm and frigid winter weather. So that's going to get clean once I put it back in use. We're going to be down for a little bit. So it's just one of those things. I love the car. I'm keeping the car, but if you get one, you better know what you're doing. I made a request for service back on January the 29th. I got my appointment 2 days later. The actual appointment was for 3 days later, but it got pushed out because the part wasn't in. My new appointment is February the 12th. Okay, that's 14 days. And this is February. That's half the month. That would be a nightmare for the average rideshare driver. I have a backup car. So the lesson learned, you do not let your electric car be your only vehicle, because the technology is still new after 2 decades, and you never know when a unique Tesla or any other electric car problem is going to show up. And then if you are a serious rideshare driver, whenever you buy another car, don't trade in your old car. Keep that car as a backup. I kept my 2020 Jeep Renegade for a time like this. I'm on my fifth rideshare car, and I gave one to my son. I have four cars in my driveway. I'm thinking once they open up the Tesla supercharging network to Ford, that Mach E has a front trunk as well, the Frunk. And I'm thinking that might be the better car because you have more dealers you can deal with, where I'm only dealing with one dealer here in the city and he's bogged down. I'm okay, I'm keeping my car, but you be careful if you decide you want one.